My name's Ross. I'm a junior stylist at Jones & Payne, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve undone textured waves. Prep. Damp the hair. Tip your head upside down and apply Unite scruncher gel from root to tip. Rough dry the hair until it's completely dry and brush through with a cushion brush. Part the hair in your desired parting, avoiding straight lines for a softer feel. Starting at the nape of the neck, take 2-inch sections working up and around the head. Layer each section with a mist of Session Max hairspray. Wand. Using the Cloud 9 waving wand on a high heat setting, wrap each section around the barrel, twisting the hair as you go. Once all sections have been curled, tip the head back and using new luxury argan oil, rake through the hair with your fingers. Finally, spray 7 seconds refresher dry shampoo into the hair to give the hair a softer texture. Finish. Natural, beachy waves. Done.